Here's how to set up custom fields in QuickBooks Online, step by step. Begin in QuickBooks Online from the main dashboard. Move to the Settings menu, marked by the gear icon near the top of the screen. Click that icon to open the menu, then look for the option labeled Custom Fields and select it. This opens the area where QuickBooks lets you create extra fields for the information you want to track in your records and forms. Once you are in the Custom Fields section, click Add Custom Field. This starts a new field setup and opens the form where you define how that field will work. Take a moment to look at the options on the screen before entering anything, since the choices you make here control where the field appears and what kind of information it accepts. In the name box, enter the label you want to use for this field. Choose a name that clearly matches the information you plan to collect, since that label will appear wherever the field is shown. After naming the field, select the data type. The data type determines what kind of value the field is meant to hold, so make sure it matches the information you want to enter later. Next, choose whether this custom field is for customer or transaction. This selection is important because it tells QuickBooks where the field belongs. If the field is meant to store information tied to a customer record, choose Customer. If the field is meant to appear on sales forms or other transaction-related entries, choose Transaction. Make sure you pick the correct category before moving on, because that affects how the field is used throughout QuickBooks. After that, select the forms where you want the custom field to appear. QuickBooks will show you the available forms based on the category you chose. Review the list and mark each form where this field should be visible. If you want the field to show only in specific places, select only those forms and leave the others unmarked. This helps keep your forms aligned with the information you actually need to display. When the name, data type, category, and form selections are all set, click Save. QuickBooks will store the custom field and apply it to the areas you selected. If the field does not appear immediately, give the page a moment to update, then check the customer record or transaction form where you enabled it. At this point, the custom field has been added and is ready to use in the QuickBooks Online forms you selected. Your custom field is now set up in QuickBooks Online and available on the selected customer or transaction forms.